And of course you can't do work without having coffee. This is a badass coffee machine. It's the Philips 4200. Do a cappuccino. Grind your coffee fresh for every single cup, and you have the milk frother. Give you like a fresh cup of coffee every time, and it makes the whole house smell like coffee, honestly, because it grind it freshly. You can put that is ready ground in here. You can do like 7 or 8 different drinks. They have a profile, so you can just set up like if you have like 2 or 3 people in the house. It makes more drinks than a coffee shop. I know this is not for everybody because it's a little bit on the pricey side, but if there is one coffee machine that you need to invest in, I have this one for like 3 years now, and it's been working with no problem. For the full desk setup video, click the video link in the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe.